Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about this guy. This adventure started out with me watching the Den of Tools Monday Evening Deals segment. Check it out. It's kind of fun. The tool bear on there had a green off-brand sort of leaf blower job and said, hey, you know, this is so cheap, you could use it to blow out the workshop. And I thought, hey, that's a fantastic idea. So I bought I didn't want the green off-brand, so I bought the Black&Decker LB700. I'll insert a little footage. So now we're going to have a little bit of wiggly camera. This morning I dusted off some of my woodworking stuff, and now I'm attempting to dust out the garage. I'd say this is a nice lightweight little jobby. It's beginning to have a bit of an odor, and it doesn't sound too well. If you can hear that. Grind, and it's really beginning to get that electronics burnt smell. I'm not hopeful for our little Black&Decker friend. That did not go well. Started using it, grinding, smoke came out, all done. And now sent it back, was looking on the Amazon, and that I had spent, I think it was $36. Then this guy popped up, $39. This is the BEBL 750, Bravo Echo Bravo Lima 750. It's nice. I've used it a bunch already, so we're not really going to do an unbox. You pull it out of the box, you put this jobby on there, and boom, you know, you're blowing. And boy, does this sucker blow. 2 speeds, boop, boop. Very nice. I'll film a little blowing. We'll blow off the lawnmower. Here we are out behind the workshop. Gives me an opportunity to see if this new microphone can handle this wind and the whirling of the blower. So we've got 2 speeds. And we're going to blow out the more because we're going to do an oil change and fix the blade spindle. So we're done with the blowing. Haha.